going on, people? It's your boy Mr. Mitos back with another really quick video. Just another update video. Today, got a couple of items in the mail and decided to cut my camera on as I was in the process of swapping some of these parts out. So as you can see, I got 2 sets of tires in the mail, and I got some shocks. So with the tires, as you can see, so these are the stock tires, right? And then these tires right here are pretty dope as well, but they're not the same color red. So on the computer, they look the same color, but they're really not. So I don't know if I'm gonna rock with these. I may not. But the only downfall is they don't come glued. They do have foam inserts. You can't see that, but I would have to glue these. And they are the same diameter as the stock, which is dope. The grip is really nice on these as well. Pretty decent reviews for these tires. If you guys want to know where I got these from, Amazon, if you want the link, let me know in the description and I'll send it to you. But yeah, so that's these tires here. The second tire, this tire is definitely larger, has a larger diameter. I like this tire because it's two-tone and it's got better grip than the other tire. So it's gonna grab the road pretty well. So as you can see here, check this out. Look at the difference in size. So it's a decent size difference, you know, with these tires. But I'm gonna rock them and see how it goes. You know what I mean? So I updated the axles as well as the differentials. So hopefully, you know, I won't have any issues with that. And I should be getting those in the mail in a couple days. And also, I got these shocks. Got these from Amazon too. They do not come filled, so I had to fill them. And I filled them with 60 weight oil, as well as I mixed it. So I mixed it with some 5,000 CS and some 60 weight. It's kind of thick, but I put it in here. And I wanted to show you guys this. Check this out. So here's the factory. Look at that. Which is better than the granite. Check this out. Much smoother dampening. Here. Here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put all these tires and these shocks on. Oh, and the only thing I did different was when I took this one off over here, I switched to springs. The springs is taller on these replacement shocks, so I'm using the factory, the default springs, and just swapping the springs out so it keeps the same height. And hopefully the back is the same too, so a little added color. I'll cut you guys back on when I got it all installed. Alright guys, check it out. Take a look at how she's sitting right now. Took a few decals off. You know, had to customize just a little bit. Look at the bounce. Nice. Nice. Same thing with the rear. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think. I did order Like I said, I ordered quite a bit for this damn thing. So the C hubs, the carriers in the rear and the front, got those. What else? What else? Man, it's a bunch of stuff coming. So you guys are gonna get to see this little thing transform a little bit, customize a little bit. You know, you guys know how I do on all my cars. So just stick with me. Appreciate you guys watching, tuning in to my channel, and there it is. Keep you guys tuned in on what's going on with this bad boy. Go ahead and take it outside real quick. See, test these tires out. Let's get it. Tell you what, one thing, it's not tipping over like it was. Not at all. Yeah, it's glued. That's amazing. It's on 50%, guys. Never mind. I tried to make it flip that time. So yeah, you can still flip it. Try to flip it, you can. Now, these tires, when I had it on 50% yesterday, I couldn't turn like this. Not at all. See? I think this could use a gyro. For real. Trying to and some belted tires. Really quick run, guys. Know what you think? Amazing. Pretty good stuff. To be continued, guys. Peace.